We're going to do a brief video on gold price prediction, and we've got a daily chart here for you of the gold futures contracts with COMEX. The symbol's GC. The daily chart here with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. As you can see, this gold has been in the bear market since June of 2022, made a new low on this cycle down here yesterday at about 1622, and is currently rallying up. High today is 1673 and a low 1649. So we got a good rally today in gold, but as you can see, it has not really done anything from a structural perspective. Gold is still in a downtrend. It made a rally yesterday that you could obviously somewhat expect, made a new low and rallied up to some new highs there in a very short-term basis, but it hasn't gotten near the 20-day moving average, which is at 1691 roughly right now. So we're still in a downtrend in this. We're below the 200, we're below the 20, and yesterday we're above the 5. So still in a downtrend in gold. Let's take a look at the weekly chart here and see what we've got. As you can see, we're bouncing around the 200-week moving average. We're below the 5-week moving average, below the 20-week moving average in gold. We didn't get much, just a hair support from the 200-week moving average for gold, but you can see gold is starting to break down into a serious bear market, which is extremely interesting given the economy and interest rates and all the rest of it, but that's what's going on. So we put in a double top here, and now we're breaking down into what's beginning to look like the beginnings of a very serious bear market in gold. We don't have significant support in gold until we get down here about the 1450 level. That doesn't necessarily mean 1450 is going to be the first place we get a rally, but I would definitely say that gold's got some downside risk in it to probably the $1,560 level, something around in there. Now, when is that going to happen? It's really hard to say. We'll probably get a rally first up to maybe the $1,700 level, and then down to the 1660 roughly, and that's probably going to take 45 days or so at least. Everything's going to depend on what goes on in Ukraine and Russia for the next month or so, but definitely not a positive outlook for gold in the near term, near 45 days. Let's take a look and see what RBAM research says about it. I think that they put a short out this morning on this. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holds on this. And this gold futures out this morning before 7 a.m. at September 30th. These come out every morning before 7 a.m. And we can see there is a short out here for the 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day position holds. These are trading days, and our 1 day is 1653 and our 20 day is 1671. They're all shorts. So let's take a look. 1671, hit that, and what did we say, 1650 something. So these are live. So your 1671 short, we'd have to take a look. Let's go. It's not going to show us the intraday, but it looks like there's some possibilities for some profits in here. We're currently at 1668, so we have to take a look on an hourly chart, and this is not going to let me do that, but we are in the trading ranges for all of these today in gold. So these come out again 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. You get either buys or shorts every day Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. You can get access to everything we put out here, including 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, including gold, at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. We come out with buy entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. for the stocks, and everything else is buys or shorts. Again, before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Get them absolutely free, no credit card required. Follow the link over to rbamresearch.com and just sign up with your email address. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a comment on anything we've said or you've seen here today, please let us know in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. And keep in mind that everything you've seen or heard on here, including our entry prices and our commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should definitely do your own analysis, and you do trade at your own risk.